In today's digital landscape, static images aren't enough to capture attention, you need to move. Welcome to our session on basic video editing for marketing. Short-form trends and formats. We'll start by diving into the world of short-form video trends. Whether you are creating Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, understanding the specific video formats and aspect ratios for ads is the first step to ensuring your content looks professional on every screen. You don't need to be a Hollywood editor to see results. We will cover the big three fundamentals: making clean cuts, using dynamic text overlays to keep viewers engaged without sound, and selecting the right music to set the tone for your brand. Finally, we'll get hands-on with the industry's most accessible tools. I'll provide an overview of Canva Video for quick, template-based designs, and CapCut for those high-energy edits that are dominating social media right now. By the end of this module, you'll have the skills to turn raw footage into a high-converting marketing asset. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful tools in your digital arsenal: video marketing. Simply put, video marketing is the strategic use of video content to promote your brand, product, or service across digital platforms. But it's more than just hitting record. The ultimate goal is to attract a new audience, engage them with compelling storytelling, and finally, convert those viewers into loyal customers. You can use it to build awareness for a new startup, provide education through tutorials, or foster trust with testimonials. Ultimately, it's a high-performing engine for lead generation. In a world where attention is the new currency, video is how you capture it. Let's look at how we can integrate this into a full-scale campaign. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful tools in your digital marketing arsenal: video marketing. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth 1,000,000. But why is it so essential for brands today? Let's look at 4 key reasons. Point 1, retention. First, it comes down to how our brains work. People remember videos far more than plain text. While we might skim an article and forget the details, a well-told story on screen sticks with us long after the tab is closed. Point 2, reach. Second, video is the algorithm king. Whether it's Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube, social platforms prioritize video content. This results in significantly higher reach and engagement compared to static posts. Point 3, connection. Third, video builds trust and emotional connection. Seeing a face and hearing a voice makes a brand feel human. It's much easier to build a relationship with your audience when they can actually see the value you provide. Point 4. Versatility. Finally, video is incredibly versatile. It works seamlessly for both paid ads and organic marketing. From high-budget commercials to simple, behind-the-scenes stories, it is the most effective way to convert a stranger into a customer. If you aren't using video, you're leaving money on the table. As we move forward, we'll discuss how to create high-impact video content even if you're on a budget. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful tools in your digital arsenal: video marketing. In an era of short attention spans, video is how you stop the scroll and connect with your audience. First up, we have short-form videos. Think TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These are bite-sized, high-energy clips designed for maximum engagement and virality. On the flip side, long-form videos allow for deep dives. This is where you build authority through webinars, tutorials, or podcasts, keeping your viewers invested for 10 minutes or more. Then we have ad videos, highly targeted and conversion-focused, and explainer videos, which simplify complex products or services into something easy to understand. Finally, never underestimate testimonial videos. Nothing builds trust faster than seeing a real customer share their success story on camera. Whether it's a 15-second clip or a 20-minute masterclass, the goal remains the same: provide value and tell a story that resonates. Let's look at how to choose the right format for your specific campaign. First up, let's talk about the powerhouse of modern social media: short-form video. Think Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. These are vertical videos, usually between 15 and 90 seconds, designed to move fast. In this lesson, we're focusing on how to use them to grab attention instantly, trigger an emotion, and drive your audience to take action. Now, what exactly qualifies as short-form video? Technically, we're looking at vertical content ranging from 15 to 90 seconds. But as digital marketers, we care more about the intent. These videos are built for platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok, where the goal is to stop the scroll. To be successful here, your content must hit 4 key pillars: it needs to capture quick attention, spark an emotion, provide immediate value, and end with a clear call to action. Let's define our primary medium for this course, short-form video. In the current digital landscape, attention is the most valuable currency. Short-form videos, which are almost exclusively vertical, typically run between 15 and 90 seconds. You see them every day as Reels, Shorts, and TikToks, but they are also becoming the gold standard for high-converting digital ads. When you're creating these, remember, you don't have time for a long intro. You have to focus on quick attention. The first 3 seconds are everything. Emotion and value, why should they care? Action, what do you want them to do next? As we look at the graphic here, you'll see the setup. It's about the intersection of tech, creativity, and the human element. Let's dive into how you can master this for your brand. Now, let's pivot to one of the most explosive trends in the digital landscape today, short-form video. If you aren't integrating this into your strategy, you're missing out on where the modern audience actually lives. First, we have to address the elephant in the room, low attention spans. In a world of infinite scrolling, you have about 3 seconds to stop the thumb. Short-form video is the perfect, snackable content that delivers value before the user moves on. It's also inherently mobile-first. Most short-form content is consumed on smartphones in a vertical format. This creates an immersive, full-screen experience that feels personal and native to how we use our devices every single day. From an algorithmic standpoint, video is king. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts prioritize video over static images. This means higher organic reach, allowing your brand to land on the screens of people who don't even follow you yet. Finally, the bottom line, strong engagement and conversions. Because video combines movement, sound, and storytelling, it builds trust faster than a photo ever could. High trust leads to higher click-through rates and, ultimately, more sales. If you want to be seen, you have to be on video. Let's look at how we can optimize these clips for maximum impact. If you want to dominate social media in 2025 and 2026, you have to master the art of the short-form video. Let's break down the 6 pillars currently driving the highest engagement. First, the 3-second rule is non-negotiable. If you don't hook your viewer in the first 3 seconds, they're gone. Combine that with face-to-camera content, audiences crave human connection and authenticity more than high-budget production. Next, optimize for the silent viewer. Using a text-first approach ensures your message hits home even without sound. And when it comes to storytelling, nothing beats the before versus after or problem versus solution framework. It provides instant value and clear results. Brands are moving away from polished commercials toward UGC-style ads, content that looks and feels like it was made by a peer. Finally, focus on educational micro-content. Give your audience quick wins that teach them something new in under a minute. In today's digital landscape, attention is the new currency. Master these trends, and you'll master the algorithm. Let's dive deeper into how to script your first viral hook. Now, let's dive into one of the most essential tools in your digital marketing toolkit, Reels and ad video formats. When we talk about short-form video, we're specifically referring to vertical content, optimized for mobile viewing, that typically runs anywhere from 15 to 90 seconds. You see these everywhere. They are Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and of course, TikTok. These same formats are also the gold standard for high-converting social media ads. But it's not just about the length. It's about the strategy. Successful short-form videos focus on 4 pillars: quick attention, you have less than 3 seconds to hook your viewer. Emotion, you want to make them feel something immediately. Value, you must provide a tip, a laugh, or a wow moment. Action, every video should lead the viewer toward a specific goal. As digital marketers, mastering these formats allows you to stop the scroll and turn passive viewers into active customers. Let's look at how to structure these for maximum impact. When it comes to capturing attention in a crowded feed, the format you choose is just as important as the message itself. Today, we're breaking down the most essential reel and video ad formats that drive actual results in digital marketing. First up is the hook, problem, solution format. This is arguably the most powerful tool in your kit. You grab them in the first 3 seconds with a hook, agitate a specific pain point, and then present your product as the hero that saves the day. For building trust and personal connection, you can't beat talking head or selfie videos. They feel native to social platforms and build a human-to-human bond. Similarly, before and after videos provide that instant wow factor and visual proof that your service works. If you want to establish authority, use the list or tips format. It's highly savable and shareable content. If you want to build an emotional connection, go with storytelling. People may forget facts, but they never forget how a story made them feel. For software or complex products, demo and screen recording formats are your best friend. And when it's time to close the sale, we move into conversion-heavy styles, offer-focused ads, social proof through student testimonials, and finally, lead-form ad videos designed specifically to capture data right within the platform. Master these 9 formats, and you'll have a versatile creative strategy that works for any industry. Let's dive deeper into how to script that first hook. In the world of digital marketing, content is king, but engagement is the kingdom. Today, we're breaking down the 3 pillars of high-performing video content: basic cuts, text, and sound. First, let's talk about flow. To keep your audience from scrolling past, you need to be ruthless with your edits. Remove every second of silence and cut out those minor mistakes. Use jump cuts to eliminate long pauses. This keeps the energy high and ensures your viewer stays locked in from start to finish. Next, remember that many people watch videos on mute. This makes your text and captions vital. Use big, bold fonts with high contrast colors so they pop off the screen. Keep your sentences short and highlight your power words or keywords. If they can read it at a glance, they'll understand your message instantly. Finally, let's set the mood with music and sound. If you're posting on social media, always look for trending audio to help boost your reach. But here is the golden rule: keep the music volume low enough that it doesn't drown out your voice. Choose tracks based on the emotion you want to trigger, whether it's happy, inspirational, or urgent. Master these basics, and you won't just be making videos, you'll be making high-converting marketing assets. Let's get editing. Now that we understand the power of video, let's talk about where to post it. Not every platform is the same, and your strategy should change based on where your audience hangs out. First up, we have Instagram and Facebook. These are the kings of engagement. Here, you'll focus on Reels to reach new people and high-converting ads to drive sales. Next is YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world. This is your home for long-form tutorials that build authority, and shorts to keep up with the fast-paced trends. If you're looking for explosive growth, look at TikTok. It's the ultimate playground for viral content and showing off your brand's personality. Don't forget your own home base, your website. Adding explainer videos and landing page videos can significantly increase your conversion rates by keeping visitors on the page longer. Finally, there's WhatsApp. This is a powerful tool for the bottom of the funnel. Use it for personal follow-ups and trust-building videos to close the deal. Choosing the right platform is just as important as the video itself. Next, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in a modern digital marketer's kit, CapCut. Whether you're a solo creator or working for an agency, CapCut bridges the gap between basic mobile editing and high-end professional software, and the best part? It's incredibly accessible. Core features. So, what makes CapCut a must-have? It's packed with high-level features like advanced cuts and cinematic effects that used to take hours to master. But where it really shines for us is the AI-powered auto captions. In a world where 80% of users watch videos on mute, this feature alone is a game-changer for engagement. Speed and trends. It also offers beat sync to perfectly time your clips to music, and a library of trending templates that allow you to jump on viral movements before they fade. Use cases. In terms of practical application, we use CapCut to build high-converting viral reels and polished talking head videos. It's also our go-to for rapid ad creatives and that fast-paced TikTok-style content that captures attention in the first 3 seconds. If you want professional results without the steep learning curve of traditional software, CapCut is where you start. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, video is king. But you don't need to be a professional filmmaker to create high-impact content. Enter CapCut. Whether you're using the free version or the professional suite, CapCut is a game-changer for digital marketers. Its easy drag-and-drop interface removes the technical hurdles, while ready-made templates allow you to jump on viral trends in seconds. As we explore the toolkit, you'll see how to leverage AI-powered features like auto captions and background removal to save hours of work. From adding trending music and sound effects to polished animations, CapCut gives you everything you need to create thumb-stopping content across all platforms. Let's dive into how it works. A quick, punchy overview that focuses on efficiency and features. Looking for a way to level up your social media ads and organic content? Let's talk about CapCut. It's one of the most versatile tools in a marketer's arsenal because it balances professional-grade power with total ease of use. Key features we'll be mastering today include text and animations to keep your audience engaged, a massive library of stock music and sound effects, and multi-platform support, so you can edit on your phone during a shoot or on your desktop for more precision. With its AI-powered features, CapCut does the heavy lifting for you. It's professional, it's free to start, and it's exactly what you need to scale your digital presence. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful tools in a digital marketer's toolkit, Canva Video. In today's landscape, video isn't just an option, it's a necessity for engagement. Canva makes professional-grade video production accessible to everyone, regardless of their design background. Features and ease of use. So, what can you actually do with it? First off, you have access to thousands of ready-made reel templates that take the guesswork out of formatting. With drag-and-drop editing, you can customize your visuals in seconds. Plus, their auto captions feature is a total game-changer for accessibility, and you can lock in your brand colors and fonts to ensure every video stays on brand effortlessly. Collaboration and workflow. But it's not just about the creation, it's about the workflow. Canva's cloud-based system means you can access your projects from anywhere. Since digital marketing is often a team sport, you can edit together in real time and leave comments or feedback directly on the design. This eliminates the back and forth of long email chains. Whether you are crafting high-energy Instagram reels, quick YouTube shorts, professional promo videos, or conversion-focused ad creatives, Canva Video provides the flexibility to produce content at the speed of social media. Keep these features in mind as we start our hands-on exercise today. Let's see how you can turn a simple idea into a high-performing video asset. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful tools for modern content creators, Canva Video. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, video isn't just an option, it's a necessity for engagement. The power of Magic Studio. To make professional-grade video accessible to everyone, Canva introduced the Magic Studio. This is their dedicated AI-powered suite designed to take the heavy lifting out of the creative process. Key AI features walkthrough. Let's look at the core features that can transform your workflow. Magic Design. This allows you to auto-create designs. Just upload your media or type a prompt, and the AI builds a layout for you instantly. Text to image. If you can't find the perfect stock photo, you can simply describe it and generate a unique AI image from scratch. Magic Write. This is your built-in AI copywriter. Whether you need a catchy video headline or a full script, it helps you overcome writer's block in seconds. Efficiency and polishing. Beyond creation, we have powerful utility tools like the background remover, which works for both images and videos to give you that clean, professional look. And finally, the ability to resize designs automatically ensures your content is perfectly formatted for Instagram Reels, YouTube, or TikTok with just one click. By mastering these AI features, you'll be able to produce high-quality marketing assets in a fraction of the time it used to take. Let's explore how to apply these to your first campaign. Moving on to one of the most critical skill sets in today's digital landscape, video marketing. Whether you are running ads or building an organic brand, these 6 best practices are your blueprint for success. First, let's talk about duration. Attention spans are shorter than ever, so aim to keep your videos under 45 seconds. This forces you to cut the fluff and get straight to the value. The most important part of your video is the start. You have a tiny window, just 3 seconds, to hook your viewer. If you don't grab their attention immediately, they've already scrolled past you. Next, never leave your audience wondering what to do next. Always add a CTA, or call to action. Whether it's link in bio or follow for more, give them a clear instruction. Technically speaking, you should always use subtitles. Why? Because a huge percentage of users watch videos on mute while commuting or in public. If they can't hear you and can't read you, you've lost them. You also want to design for the device. Use a vertical format, specifically a 9:16 aspect ratio, to take up the full real estate of a smartphone screen. This creates a much more immersive experience. Finally, the secret sauce isn't a single viral video, it's consistency. Posting regularly trains the algorithms to know who you are and helps you stay top of mind for your audience. Now that we've covered the creative side of digital marketing, let's talk about how we actually measure success. To do that, we look at KPIs, or key performance indicators, and performance metrics. Views and watch time. First up, we have views. This tells us how many people clicked on our content. But volume isn't everything. We also look at watch time. This is a critical metric because it tells us if our content is actually keeping the audience's attention or if they're dropping off after a few seconds. Engagement. Next is engagement. This includes likes, comments, and shares. High engagement is the social proof that your content is resonating with people and starting a conversation. CTR and ads, for those of you running paid campaigns, CTR, or click-through rate, is your best friend. It measures the percentage of people who saw your ad and actually clicked on it, helping us understand how effective our call to action really is. Leads and conversions. Finally, the ultimate goal, leads and conversions. Whether it's a sign-up, a download, or a purchase, these metrics tell us if our marketing efforts are translating into real business growth. Mastering these numbers is what separates a good marketer from a great one. Let's take a closer look at how to track these in real time.